As part of my Get Fit with Deborah recipe series, today I am sharing two simple, nourishing salad dressing recipes that make healthy eating feel easy, realistic, and delicious. The first recipe is a creamy, high protein ranch dressing made with cottage cheese. And the second one is an olive oil vinaigrette that is a great source of polyphenols. What I love about these recipes is that they use simple ingredients. You get to control the ingredients. They're easy to prepare, they're healthy and delicious, and you can make them ahead. Now let's get started with recipe number 1. No complicated ingredients, no long prep time, just real food that works for real life. This is how I approach healthy eating now. Simple, balanced, and sustainable. Please leave in the comments and let me know if you are going to try one or both of these recipes. I think you'll be surprised how good they are. And please remember to turn on that notification bell because coming up real soon, I am going to show you how to put together a delicious high protein garden fresh salad to go along with these delicious dressings. I'll see you real soon and enjoy.